Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Eaglewood is one of Bedford's established residential neighborhoods, located near the center of the community and close to the shores of the Bedford Basin. Developed mainly during the late 1980s and 90s, Eaglewood is known for its larger homes, mature trees, and winding residential streets. The neighborhood includes Eaglewood Drive, Peregrine Crescent, Snowy Owl Drive, Eagle Lane, and several connected streets that form a well-established suburban community. The neighborhood was designed as an executive residential area and remains one of Bedford's more sought-after places to live. Most homes are detached, single-family houses on generous lots, with many properties backing onto wooded areas. Eaglewood is connected to nearby neighborhoods, such as Admiral's Cove, and is only a short distance from Bedford's commercial services, schools, and recreation facilities. While Eaglewood itself is relatively small, the immediate area has an estimated population of several hundred residents. Demographic information suggests a mature population with a high rate of home ownership and household incomes above regional averages. Many residents are professionals, retirees, and families who value the neighborhood's established character and convenient location within the Halifax Regional Municipality. The neighborhood provides easy access to Bedford Place Mall, DeWolf Park, the Bedford Waterfront, and the Bedford Basin shoreline. Recreational opportunities are plentiful, with walking trails, sports facilities, and waterfront parks all located within a short distance. Housing values in Eaglewood reflect its reputation as a desirable Bedford neighborhood. In recent years, many homes in the area have been assessed or sold in the range of approximately $700,000 to $1 million, depending on size, age, renovations, and lot characteristics. Larger executive homes often command higher prices, particularly those with upgraded interiors or views toward the Bedford Basin. Another appealing aspect of Eaglewood is its central location. Residents can reach downtown Halifax, Dartmouth, Burnside Business Park, and Halifax Stanfield International Airport relatively easily. This accessibility has contributed to the neighborhood's long-term popularity and stable property values over the decades. The natural setting also plays an important role in Eaglewood's appeal. Mature landscaping, wooded green spaces, and proximity to the Bedford Basin help create an attractive environment throughout the year. Seasonal changes are particularly noticeable, with colorful autumn foliage and views of the surrounding hills adding to the neighborhood's character. Located along the northwestern shore of the Bedford Basin, Bedford is part of the Halifax Regional Municipality and is home to more than 36,000 residents. It has grown from a small settlement into one of the fastest-growing communities in Nova Scotia. The history of Bedford dates back to the 18th century. The community was named after John Russell, the 4th Duke of Bedford, and developed as part of the early British settlement of Nova Scotia. Its location along the sheltered waters of the Bedford Basin made it attractive for transportation, trade, and settlement. During the 19th century, Bedford became known as a popular summer destination. Wealthy residents from Halifax built seasonal homes overlooking the basin, taking advantage of the area's scenery and cooler coastal climate. Several historic properties from that era helped shape Bedford's identity. The Bedford Basin played an important role during both the First World War and the Second World War. The basin served as a major gathering point for Allied convoys crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Hundreds of ships assembled here before beginning voyages to Europe, making Bedford an important part of Canada's wartime effort. One of Bedford's most recognizable attractions today is its waterfront. The Bedford Waterfront Boardwalk stretches along the shoreline and provides views across the basin toward Halifax and Dartmouth. Nearby parks and marinas help make the waterfront one of the most visited areas in the community. Another notable landmark is Scott Manor House. Built during the 18th century, it is one of the oldest surviving homes in Bedford and serves as a reminder of the area's early colonial history. The property remains an important heritage site within the community. Bedford experienced significant growth during the late 20th century and early 21st century. New residential areas such as Bedford South and Bedford West expanded the community and brought thousands of new residents to the region. New schools, businesses, and transportation infrastructure followed this growth. Today, Bedford is known for its strong economy, excellent schools, recreational opportunities, and access to Halifax. Many residents work throughout the Halifax Regional Municipality while enjoying the benefits of living in a suburban community with extensive services and amenities. Housing remains one of Bedford's defining features. The community offers a wide range of homes, from condominiums and townhouses to large waterfront and executive properties. Bedford consistently ranks among the most desirable residential markets in Nova Scotia due to its location and quality of life. From its beginnings as a small settlement on the shores of the Bedford Basin to its modern role as a thriving suburban centre, Bedford has become an important part of Nova Scotia's largest metropolitan region. Its combination of history, waterfront scenery, and continued growth makes it one of the province's most recognizable communities. Thanks for watching!